morning children. How are you? Welcome to online classes Gurukul Vidyalaya. Okay? Today I will teach you neighborhood lesson part 2. Already part 1 we discussed previous class, no? Now I will say part 2 in neighborhood lesson. Okay? How are you children? Had your breakfast? Yes. Okay? Don't come outside. Stay at home. Listen your parent words. What your mother and father will say, you have to listen those words. You should not shout at home. Okay children? Are you reading textbook? I said to read textbook now. Okay? Many members are doing homework. Very good. Amma, I am giving homework in your sheet now. You have to write the homework and send to my first class group. Okay? Most of you are not writing homeworks. Next time onwards, write homeworks. Everybody write homeworks and send to my first class B section group. Okay? Now we are going to discuss about neighborhood. In the previous lesson, we discussed about neighborhood, about school we discussed, and about market we discussed. Okay, about police station we discussed, and remaining we have to discuss in this class. See here, what is a neighborhood? Our surrounding, our house will be in our surrounding our house. There will be different types of shops and markets. Okay, we have these are called our neighborhood. We may have the following services in our neighborhood. Okay, see here. I will write here some neighborhood have different services. Already we discussed about market. We are getting different items from our market. Okay, and next to park. We are enjoying park in holidays. And next to police station and school. In school we learn different new things. And next one read. How to read the sentence. How to write the sentence. Okay, how to behave with others. How to respect elders. So all these things we discussed in the previous class. Remaining we can discuss in this class. Next one is temples. Temples. Next one is a temple and railway station. Railway station. Next bank. Post office. Hospital. Hospitals. Airport. Airport. Fire station. And next one is a bus stop. Next one is a bus stop. First of all, we can discuss about airport. Airport. Do you see any time aeroplane or helicopter? Yes, an aeroplane, helicopter. We will see. Okay, how it will move? In the air. In the air. See, airport means the place where the aeroplanes take off or land in the place. The place is called a airport. The passengers will travel in the aeroplanes. Okay. See here, if it is a very less distance means we are going by different types of vehicles. A bike, if it is a 5 kilometers or 10 kilometers or 20 kilometers, we will go by bike or bicycle or car like that. If it is a more distance from Hyderabad to Mumbai, well, we have to go by aeroplane. That is can reach very within hours we will reach. Okay, if you go by train it will take 24 hours. If you go by aeroplane it will go, you can reach 1 or 2 hours. Okay, this is the fastest and this is the fastest transport. Okay, next one is railway station. Next one is railway station. The trains will, see here, do you see any time train? Yes. Do you like train? Yes. Everybody likes train. Will you go, anytime did you go by train? Okay. Some members are go by train. If you want to go from here to Hyderabad, how do you go? You can go by train comfortably. Okay. You can go by bus also, but railways are very comfortable. If you take reservation, you can sleep on the bed and you can go easily without strain. Without strain. So, railway station means the trains will comes to the railway station and the passengers go by train. And some goods are also loaded and unloaded by the trains. Goods trains. Okay. Next one is bus stop. Mostly everybody goes by bus. If it is a very large distance or if it is a somewhat far distance also, we can use mostly buses. Okay. Where do you go if you want to go by Rajahmundry? You will go to the bus stop. What is in the bus stop? You can see the different types of buses, the express and passengers. Okay. So bus stop. And this is also mostly both members are using the this transport. This is a land transport. Okay. And next one is bank. What is the next one? Bank. DC bank. Anytime do you go to the bank? Okay. Otherwise I will explain about bank. See here. The bank means we will deposit our money in the bank, and when we need we will withdraw our money. We will withdraw our money according to our needs. And we will preserve gold items also in the locker, in the bank locker. Banks are very useful to us. Banks are very useful to us. Because if you keep in your house this much of money and this much of gold, any thieves will come and they will store. If you arrange in the bank locker, it is a safety place. It is a safety place happily they will give interest also. If you deposit 1 lakh, they will give for a year, they will give interest also for you. So the banks are very useful to us. They will give the one form. After going to the bank, they will give one form, withdraw form. If you deposit some cash, they will give one form. You have to write the cash form and you have to deposit your money, or if you want to take your money, you have to write the withdraw form. Okay. And next one is post office. Next one is post office. Do you see post office? What is the use of post office? The post office is a service, okay, to give our letters to one place to another place. Okay, the post office, here also we can preserve our money. We can deposit our money. In the post office we are buying stamps and envelopes and cards, postcards. Nowadays mostly we are using mobile phones. If you want to talk with your any relatives, father or other uncles, aunt, grandmother, if they are in other villages, you are talking within seconds. But if you see some years back, not there this much of technology. We don't have those many phones. So at the time we are using only letters. They will write the letter and they will drop that letter into the post box. Then the postman will collect the letters and he will give to according to the address, he will give to that persons. Okay. In every card we have to write address. Okay, door number, person name and street name, and that is belongs to which West Godavari, East Godavari, AP or Maharashtra. Like that you have to write means the postman will take your letters and he will give to that particular places. And next one is fire station. Fire engine. Do you see the fire engine? immediately we have to call the fire station. Then the firefighters will come and they will put on the fire with the help of water tanks, and very long tubes will be, and ladders will be. Those are the brave men, brave persons. Okay, they will come to that place, and within minutes they will reach the place, and very fastly they will come and they will put out the fire. Okay, and next one is temple. Temple means not only Hindus, temples, church or mosque, etc. According to their religion, they will go to that place. Okay, if it is Hindus are there, okay, then they will go to the temple and they will Shiva temple, goddess, Lakshmi Devi, like that they will go to Baba temple, like that they will go to there, and they will pray the God. If it is a Christians, they will go to the church, and if there is a Muslims, they will go to the mosque. Like that, according to their religion, they will go to the place and they will pray God. Okay. Here, and next one is hospital. Next one is hospital. Did you go to hospital any time? Yes. When you went? Yes. When we are not feeling well, then we will go to the hospital for treatment purpose. Who will be in the hospital? Doctor and nurse. Doctor and nurse will be. The doctor will see, and the nurse will give injection, or doctor will write some medicines according to your problem. Okay. Some will be small hospitals, and some are very clinics. Small hospitals mean clinics. In your village, they will arrange clinics. If it is a cities, there will be multiplex hospital. Big hospitals will be very big hospitals. Okay, according to that, they will treat. Okay, if it is according to our problem, they will treat and they will give medicines. What is the dress code of the doctor? Do you know? White dress, white. Okay, and doctors also has uniform, and nurse also has uniform, white color. Okay, so these are the very important services in our surroundings. See, first one is, what is the first one? Airport, railway station, bus stop, bank, post office, and fire station, and next one temple and hospital. In the previous class we learned about market, okay, market, school, and police station. Say some more. Bank, okay. These are our neighborhood services. These are our neighborhood services. These are very important. For example, if you get any problem, if there is a hospital, what do? We cannot do anything. Very important. Hospital also very important. Bus stop also very important. Everything is very important in our daily life, isn't it? See, this is part 2. See here, I will write here some words. You have to say. Say everybody. Temple. T-E-M-P-L-E. Temple. Railway station. Bus stop. And next one is bank. Money. Church. School. Next one, post office. And hospital. railway station. Bus stop, BUSSTOP, stop, bus stop. Bank, BANK, bank. Money, MONEY, money. Church, CHURCH, church. School, SCHOOL, school. Post office, POST, post. OFFICE, office, post office. Hospital, HOSPITAL, hospital. Airport, AIRPORT, airport. See, temple, railway station, bus stop, bank, money, church, school, post office, hospital, airport. Look here, children. Read these all words and write 3 times in your HW book. How many times? 3 times you write in your HW book. 3 times. Okay. And see here. These are the important places in our neighborhood. What are those? Repeat after me. Temple, aeroplane, airport, railway station, bus stop, bank, post office, fire station, hospital, this, school, park, etc. See here. Do you understand this lesson, children? Yes. See this video. Listen carefully. If you can understand, okay. Otherwise, see it 2 or 3 times. Okay. Each video you have to see it 2 or 3 times. Okay. Then, how do you see? See, open your textbook and listen. Then you can understand very easily. Okay, now open your activity book. Look here. Which book it is? Activity book. Open this book, everybody. Activity book. Page number 52. Page number 52. Okay. See here. First one is, what is the first one? Park. Park. Market. Police station. Post office. Hospital. Bank. Fire station. Temple. Railway station. These all words they given here. You have to paste these places. Stickers will be back side of your book. See here. Down these pages. Here they gave the stickers. See here. Okay. First picture, what is that? Park. Where is the park picture here? See here. This is the park picture. Take out this picture and paste in the first box. Next one is market. Where is the market here? See? Market. Where is it? This is market. See? You take out this picture and keep here. And next, police station. Where is the police station? Look here. Police station. See. This is police station. Take this picture and paste here. Third box. And next, post office. Where is the post office picture here? Page number, last page, see. Post office. See, this is last picture. If you take out like this, means it will come. See, like this. Like this. Huh? And next, hospital. Where is the hospital picture? This is the hospital picture. Paste here. And bank. Where is the bank picture? Bank. See. Where is the bank? See. Okay. Bank picture. See here and paste. And next, see. Bank after fire station. Where is the fire station picture? You have to check and paste fire station. Next, temple. What is this? Say temple. Where is the temple picture? Say this is paste. Next, railway station. Last one is the railway station. Where is the railway station picture? Train picture is there, no? See, this is the railway station. Paste here. Complete this page. Page number what do you? 52 page. Complete this page. Very easy, right? Is it? See, take out the picture and paste here. Okay, children? And next one is see. This is. Here, he gave rewrite the jumbling letters from a proper word. See. Take the help of the pictures. See here. Take the help of the pictures. You have to take these pictures. See this picture and you have to arrange this in order. See. K-A-R-M-E-T. K-A-R-M-E-t. What is this picture? Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market you have to write. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. Like this you have to write in the box. Second one is hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. Okay. Next one, what is the picture? Police station. Police station spelling say P-O-L-I-C-E. Police. I'll write here. Police station. See here. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Station. Police station. Over. Next, what is this? Airport. A-I-R-A-P-O-R-T. Port. Airport. Next, fire station. F-I-R-E. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Station. Fire station. Post office. P-O-S-T. Post. O-S-F-I-C-E. Office. Post office. Okay. Complete this. Easy enough. See the picture and write. Okay. Next one, see here. Underline the correct word in the bracket to complete the sentence. See, I go to the dash to play. I go to the police station or park to play. Which is correct? Say. Which is correct? Say. See here. Here is given P-O-L-I-C-E. Police station or park. P-A-R-K. Park. Where do you go for playing with the police station or park? Park. Yes. Here underline the word. Next one is if I have fever. If I have fever, I will go to the bank or hospital. Where do you go? If you have fever, if you are not feeling well, where do you go? Bank or hospital? Hospital. Underline. And next, if I want a bread, I can buy it from the dash. Bread. If you want bread, where do you buy? Market or fire station? Market. Market or fire station. Where do you buy? Market. Market. Okay. You will go to the bakery and you will buy the bread. And next, to post a letter, we should go to the dash. If you want to post a letter, where do you go? Post office. Post office or airport. Where do you go if you want to post a letter? Where do you go? Okay. Post office or post office. You will go to the post office and you will will post the letter. And next, in the previous class I told you know these. First one is vegetables. What is this book? Workbook. Already you finished this one? Who didn't write right now? Right now this is also. See here. Here is given some words. You have to see the picture and you have to write the particular word. See, first one is what are these vegetables? What you have to write? Where do you get vegetables? Market. Okay. Next, she is praying to God. Where? Temple. T-E-M-P-L-E. Temple, right? Aeroplane. Airport. Where is this? A-I-R-A-P-O-R-T. Port. Airport. Next, who is the doctor and nurse? Where do you see these people? Hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. Next, train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. Where do you see this? Railway station. Next, covers stands. Where do you see this? Post office. P-O-S-T. Post. O-F-F-I-C. Office. Post office. Police. Where do you see? Police station. Where police station? Where is here? Police station. Next, what is this one? This is a fire engine. Where do you see here? Where do you see this picture? Fire station. Fire station. Next, teacher. Okay, where do you see the teacher? School. In school. Okay. Completed now already in the previous class I told this case. Some of you didn't write, I think so. I am saying again. Completed this? Okay. And next, see this one. See here. Here, hospital. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. See, first one is hospital, market, bus stop, bank, post office. See the first one. We go to the dash when we fall sick. If you get any problem, where do you go? Where do you go? Say. Hospital. Hospital spelling say. Hospital. First one. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. Second one is we go to the dash to keep our money. Where do you go? You will go to your bank and you will deposit your money. B-A-N-K. Bank. We go to the dash to buy vegetables. If you want to go buy vegetables, where do you go? Market. Second one is M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. See. We go to a bus at the dash. Bus stop. See third one. B-U-S bus. S-T-O-P stop. Bus stop. And last one is we buy stamps from the dash. Post office. Where do you buy the stamps? Post office. Write those five. First one is hospital. Second one is bank. And third one is market. And bus stop. And next one is post office. These are the words you have to write in this book. Finish them up? Okay. See here, everybody, I am saying here, lessons now you have to listen properly these videos and you open your textbook and see and read the lessons. For example, now I told neighborhood lesson, fourth lesson I told. You have to read the fourth lesson. One page, one day you have to read. Okay. Mostly 3 or 4 pages will be every lesson. So, every day take one page and read. Read the particular words. Underline the words, difficult words. And read. Okay, children? Will you read? Will you complete your homeworks every day? I will see how many members are writing today and what's the homeworks. Okay, children? Bye. We will meet you in the next class. Bye, children.